Hello, Kitty. We meet again at the Animarsh Lab. What kind of experiment are we going to do today? A candle? All right, Kitty, let's prepare the materials. There's a candle, matches, and a glass. So what are we going to do with this candle? Let's begin the experiment, Kitty. Light the candle with the match. Wow, the candle is lit. Oops, the candle has gone out because it was blown. There, the candle is lit again. Huh? Wow! The air inside the glass is running out because of the lit candle. So, the candle goes out eventually. Today's experiment is really amazing. Thank you, Kitty. Bye-bye.